Okay, today we are going to replace the brake shoe and the brake pump of the rear wheel for the Renault Zoe electric car. So firstly, we have to jack up the car. So find the jacking point. Before you jack up the car, you have to loosen up the wheel nuts, which we have done before. Okay, it is better to use a jack stand for safety. So we are removing the wheel. Firstly, we have to take out this cap here using a flat head screwdriver. Okay. Next, we have to take out the nut. This is using the 36mm. So, if it is too tight, you have to use the something to have a longer leverage. So once you have loosened up, just open. So carefully pull out the drum from the brake. A trick if you are having problem to take out the drum, you put back the wheel and put one of the nut back in, or maybe two, and you can force the drum to come out using the wheel, because you have more leverage. As you can see, this is the whole assembly. This is the brake pump and this is the brake shoe that we are going to replace. Now we are replacing the brake pump. This is the new one. This is the part number. I will include in the description below. We have to reuse back the bolt. This is size 10. This is the oil pump. So the nut holding is at the bottom here. The bolt holding the pump. Okay, next we put back in the brake line. The brake line is using size 11 inch. Okay, next we are going to put back the brake shoe. You can put back the pins from the back. Yeah, it's easier to use this one. Okay, so everything is in its place. We put back the drum and then we can bleed the brake. Okay, so the best you use the leverage that you used before. So we put back the cap. So now to do the bleeding, there's a nipple here. So the best if you use clear tube, slide into the nipple, then you can see whether there's any bubble coming out from the oil. So finally, put back the wheel and we are ready.